The Hedge trimmer, 2-in-1 electric handheld grass shear cutter with 2-pack rechargeable battery, mini bush trimmer for your garden, yard, lawn pruning. It has a high performance motor, 800 watt pure copper motor. It has 0 to 60 degree cutting with the 1500 RPM. It's a 2-in-1 cutter, has a 5.3 wide grass blade and a 9-inch long hedge trimmer blade for max clipping thickness of 0.3 inches. It has powdered metallic gears. It assures tough and durable strength and long-lasting usage. It is 1.5 hours to charge with 100 to 120 minutes of runtime per battery. 21 volt, 1500 milliamps per. No cords needed. It is a mini weed cutter with Makita type batteries. It weighs in the hand less than 2.7 pounds. It has a safety lock and non-slip handle that helps to get a firm grip on the hedge trimmer. This is from the makers of Dock Smart. It's a 2-in-1 trimmer hedge clipper. It has a 1500 milliamp battery, a 2-pack. And we're going to show you how easy it is to assemble and set up, clean, and more. Removing from the box comes in a nice hard shell carrying case. Red clips simply push up, open, and lift. You have your instruction guide on top. Your 2 batteries that takes 1.5 hours per to charge 1500 milliamp 21 volt batteries. 1 charging power supply, simply plug into the battery. The other end into the power. When the red light goes out, turns green, you're fully charged. The hedge clipper body is in green with the short attachment and long attachment with covers. To change the hedge clipper short to long, there are 2 buttons to press on the side. Squeeze in, comes out, grab the long, slide into the bracket's hole, and let go, and you are changed within seconds. To change from the long to the short, press in on the buttons, pull off, put back the short, like so. 90 degree or change to the angle by pressing the 2 buttons on the sides, and you have an angle. Squeeze trigger is with the safety button. Squeeze the button in on the side and squeeze. Demonstrating, pull off the cover, slide the battery in correctly, and squeeze. Releasing the battery is pulling on the clip and separating. The hedge needs to be trimmed. This is the grass clipper. Simply remove. Remove the cover and squeeze. And we're going to trim the hedges like so. To do the grass and ergonomically, we could adjust the head and trim grass. If you need to trim anything like your tomato plants, and we're going to trim a snowball bush. Down to size with ease. Depending on the thickness of the diameter it is allowed to trim. You're looking for a hedge trimmer to trim grass, trim small brush, hedges, and more, this product may be something that you are after.